Hello random people. So today I will be doing some DIY bleach. I'll be doing some bleaching for jeans. This is not my jeans. I don't know whose one it is actually, because my dad said it's not his, my bro said it's not his, my cousin said it's not his. So because it says garage men, but we're gonna use it anyways. I tried it, it fits me. So I've got this Clorox-Water mixture. It's 1:1 ratio. And then since my hands are very sensitive and we're dealing with bleach, I also have gloves. So we have this chalk that we're gonna do some designs there. And also I bought like this whole set of brushes. Make sure it's like the cheap ones, because you're dealing with bleach, it's gonna disintegrate very fast. Okay. How would they know? Oh my god, too much TikTok. That's a picture. As you can see, I have no idea what I'm doing, but basically I took parts of the plastic bag to line the inside of my jeans, because when you want to paint the Clorox on the jeans, you don't want it to seep through to the back side, or if you're painting the back, you don't want to seep it through the front side. So you just have to make sure the plastic bag is all lined up in the jeans. And then you're gonna want to find something round to make a circle for a template for your smiley face. So I use this sellotape, and basically it's easier to make my smiley face without the round being wonky or anything. This is my smiley face. It's super cute. So you just take the chalk and draw your design on the jeans. You can do it as random. You can do like any pattern that you want, but here I made smiley face all over my jeans, and also cute small smiley face at my pockets. And then you're gonna get your gloves. Put on your gloves. It smells terrible, I know. Get your paintbrush and start painting using the Clorox-Water. The whole point for you to use your chalk first is because you can't really see when you immediately paint with the Clorox. You have no idea where you painted. So it's good to have an outline using the chalk first. And that is how you do the smiley faces on the jeans. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just go to the description and I'll have the steps written down there easier, because I'm bad at describing. Hello. Okay, wow, it's super hot outside. Let's go check on it. Looking super hot. Hujan ke? Oh my god. Look, it was raining. I took a nap, so I had no idea what the fish was happening. It better be okay. We're gonna go and machine wash this. So mind the makeup. I was playing around with makeup, but I want to show you how my jeans turned out. This is a few months later actually, because I was lazy to film this part. So this is how it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. I'd say because I've worn this more than 5 times already, it's not that obvious, but like when I first wore it, the pattern was still like bright white. But look, this one, it's not, you can't really see it anymore. And then here's the back as well, like the cute smiley faces at the back. I'd say if this happens to your jeans, like it faded, it's good if you want to do the Clorox thing again, you can do that again. But I got lazy, so I'm just fine with how this turned out. By the way, I did say this was garage men punya jeans, so I altered my jeans to make it look like a girl's jeans, you know. So I did alter the back, like you can see those stitches kinda terbuka. Can you see that? It kinda terbuka like that. Then I altered like the sides as well, so it fit me better, which is great. If you want to know how to alter your jeans, I can put the link down below. I found it at someone's YouTube. I forgot the name, but I can put in the description below. If you also made these jeans like smiley faces or any other pattern, just tag me like in Instagram, because I really want to see how it turned out for you as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!